so them hoes gon' point. I'm fresh, I'm clean. Stop.
If you see me in the club with my camera phone and you in the club, it don't mean that you gonna be on camera. If you don't do no camera shit that's gonna get me views, you won't be on camera. You could look good, your hair could be good, you could smell good, but if you're not doing no camera shit, you won't be on Terry Love TV camera. And another thing, if I do a video and I make the video and you see some shit in the video that you don't like, don't expect me to take that video offline. Because once I make the video and I put it on YouTube, that's it. It's set in stone. It can't be removed. So don't think because if you on camera and I put you on camera and you on YouTube now, I won't take it off. So people do not ask me to take a video off the internet, because it will not happen. It will not happen. And if I put you on camera doing some Terry Love TV camera shit, don't get mad. Just enjoy the benefits of being famous, because basically you gonna be famous. So I won't take shit off the internet. If I make the video and I put it on YouTube, it's on YouTube to stay. Because you did some shit in the club that you wanted to get attention from. So I basically gave you what you wanted. Now if I was BET or MTV putting y'all ass on camera, everybody want to be on camera. But since I'm a mommy pop, a local nigga, people get mad that they on camera. Everything that's set on Terry Love TV camera is staying. I will not take shit off. No matter what you do, you could curse me out or whatever. I would not take shit off. But there's just a few things I wanted to address. And if you're looking for additional video for me, you can catch me at www.itsbeantv.com. And that's about it. That's all I wanted to say. So holla at your boy Terry Love TV. I'm out.